biology? Simply put, biology is the scientific study of life, and just like life, biology is a rich and diverse field of study. Biology is versatile and ever-changing, making it a study subject that is full of excitement, beauty and wonder. Biologists study life at various levels, from the tiniest of cells and organisms to entire ecosystems. Studying biology promises students an exciting and rich study career with a wide array of opportunities to study what you love. Studying biology offers students more flexible in their career paths. By not focusing on one specific discipline, biology majors are able to learn about all aspects of biology, like ecology to cells to marine life. Do you like the idea of field work but also working in a lab? Well, by studying biology, you can do both. Unlike specific biology disciplines, studying biology allows you to do both. For example, 1 week you can put on a lab coat and look at cells in a microscope, and the following week put on your boots and explore nature. If you are interested in continuing your studies at the postgraduate level, then majoring in your biology during your undergrad is a good choice. Science is research-focused and flexible to adapt to many disciplines. Counting your studies to the postgraduate level is a natural transition. How to study biology? Courses in biology combine practical and theory work with a mixture of lectures, seminars, and lab work. Students who choose to study biology can expect to expand their knowledge of cell theory, evolution, genetics, energy, and homeostasis. Most universities will offer degree programs in biology and will also offer a joint degree program with other sciences or the social sciences. Some universities will offer more specialized degree within the biological sciences, such as zoology or ecology. Assessments will vary across exams, coursework, presentations, and lab work. Students will often be required to conduct research of their own, to answer a question of their choosing, generating exactly two sort of skill set that employers are seeking. This is often in a team, so students will be developing their skills in communications, delegation, research, and management. What kind of job can I get by studying biology? Well, jobs for graduates with a degree in biology can be just as diverse as the nature of the study. Aside from working in a lab, many biologists find themselves in other closely related fields such as agriculture, food processing, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, research and development, and more.